Hello and welcome back to Lesson 31, Session 3, Develop Comparing Length and Height. Now, in the past couple lessons, we talked about things that are longer and taller. We also mentioned things that are shorter. So in today's warm-up, we're going to take a look at this page here, and we're actually going to draw a line that is longer and shorter than the green line that is in the middle of the page here. So I'm going to use my red, I'm going to match it up, blue for longer, and I want you to tell me when to stop when I have a line that is longer than the green line in the middle, okay? I'm going to start at the same side. Tell me when to stop. Remember, I'm looking for longer. All right, awesome. So yes, my line is longer. I could keep going and it would still be longer than the green line. So now I'm going to use my red to show shorter. I'm going to line up at the same spot, and I want you to tell me when to stop when I have a line that is shorter than the green line in the middle. All right, here we go. All right, I can't stop here. Good. So this is going to be a line that is shorter than the green line. I could keep going all the way up until about this point here before it starts to get the same length or longer. Okay, awesome job. So let's go ahead and look at today's lesson. On this page here, I see a paintbrush and a little jar of paint. We're going to be focusing on shorter today. Shorter can mean a shorter length, a smaller length, or even a smaller height. Okay, so I'm going to use my tool here, my paint tool. I'm going to use blue, so it is different than the red that we have here. And I'm going to draw a paintbrush that is shorter than the red paintbrush here. I'm going to line up about the same length or spot here. So I'm going to draw my line so I know where to start. And I'm going to make a paintbrush that is shorter than that one. And I don't need you to be an artist, but if you want to, you can. So here's my paintbrush. All right. And now I'm going to do a jar of paint that is shorter than this red jar. So I've got my lid and my paint. You can see that I have it lined up at about the same spot. And that is my blue jar of paint. So you can see that it is shorter on both of these examples. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. We are focusing on shorter. So for each of these pictures here, I want you to circle the item that is shorter than the other. So let's look at these flowers. There's a pink flower and a purple flower. Which one is shorter? Excellent. The pink flower is shorter. How about these two benches? We saw these in the picture from yesterday, but now they actually have them lined up so we can see which one is shorter. Excellent job. The brown bench is shorter than the gray bench. How about these boats? Now we're looking at how tall they are, looking at the height. So let me go ahead and draw a line so you can see which one is shorter, the boat with the white sail or the boat with the red sail. Excellent job. The boat with the white sail is shorter than the boat with the red sail. Now these pictures here, they lined up on the opposite side. So now which one is shorter? The blue bat or the red bat? Kiss your brain. I got it. That is the blue bat. Very good. So your job now for pages 3 and 4 is to go in and circle each item that is shorter. They did the first one as an example, so you remember what you're looking for. But for each set of pictures, remember to make sure that they are lined up on the same spot and to decide which one is shorter. Only circle one answer. On this last one here with the dogs, you'll see that they are not lined up at the same spot, but you can tell which one's shorter, right? I bet you can. All right, so I will see you tomorrow in session 4.